Alright guys, what's up? Welcome to the channel. It's your first time stopping in. Be sure to subscribe. You got any questions, leave it in the comments. I have a bunch of updates for you guys, and I'm fucking excited. We'll go ahead and tell you I'm antsy and I've already opened the box, but I repackaged it so it can be like the official unopening, just for you guys. Alright, so now that I've got everything set up, you guys can see right here. Bam! Who is that? What is that? What are those? Can't show you that. It's got my address. Not that you really care where I live. Look, I even put the screws back in this beast for you guys. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Oh no! I can't find the screw. Where's the damn screw? Oh no, maybe I fucked up. It's alright. Ow, shit. I just got stabbed by a screw. Ugh. It is. It is. That is an FI BTL. Not a Neo, but it's the Btl3. Let me get it out the box. Alright, so now that you guys have seen the new sub, there will be another one on order. This one took about 3.5 weeks to get here. So when the other one gets in here, I'm going to be looking for an amp to push them. And we're doing a 6th order wall in the Jeep. I was going to run two the Scar ZVXs, the ones that are over there. I was running 2 Scar ZVXs on the SoundCube 2250. But I'm going a different route. I was gonna be working on the truck as far as sound system, and I was gonna order 4 of these to go in it. But right now, I'll show you in a few minutes. I'm working on the building. Once the building's in, I'll probably end up not taking it out, but the cab itself is gonna have to come off. Excuse me, not the cab, but the bed and stuff's coming off the truck because I am going full airbag suspension on the truck. It will lay frame. So I'm putting that sound system on hold for the moment, and. Excuse me, Jesus Christ. Gatorade. Like I said, the 2 ZVX 15s and the SoundCube 2250 was going to go in the Jeep. But now we're doing 2 FI BTLs, Neo, or what is it? BTL3s? Whatever that stands for. There's something in the roof over here. The 2 BTLs and an amp unknown at this time will be going in the Jeep. Looking for a Banda. I'm thinking maybe an 8K to push both of these, and that means I'll be doing some kind of lithium bank and an alternator for the Jeep. Trying to keep everything as up to par as possible. But on to the next update. Hopefully this camera doesn't die. I always forget to charge this thing. I can get a flashlight. You see old Dirty Betty over here. Unlock the screen so I can see. Old poop truck. Poop truck is loaded. Poop truck is loaded with the wood. See all the wood? Look at it. That's all of it. The whole bed of this truck is full. We got that full-on Carolina squat going on right now. But yeah, that's all the wood for the building. so that I'll be building the walls for the actual shed itself. I've showed it to you before, will sit on top of to give me higher roof space. But pretty much it's ready now as far as moving the building. The only thing left to get will be electrical stuff for wiring and the metal to finish covering the outside, because I won't be able to cover the whole thing because there's not enough metal on the building. But I will use what I have to do what I need to do, and then I'll be getting some more to finish it. But I just wanted to give you guys an update. You've seen our episodes of our go-karts. We're working on our track, working on getting another go-kart, and I'm going to be ordering a clutch hydraulic brake kit. Might be looking for like a wrecked four-wheeler or a wrecked dirt bike or a motorcycle, something, and doing a little bit of a crazy engine swap. I like speed. I want to go fast. Who doesn't? But yeah, that's just a quick update for you guys. I appreciate you watching. Be sure to subscribe. You got any questions, leave it in the comments. We have 4 sheets of MDF I picked up on Hella Steel today to start that build. Doing 415s on a flat wall. Got these door panels down here to finish them the next day. And so be sure to hit subscribe. Be sure to ring that notification bell so you know when the next video goes up, and I'll holler guys in a little bit.